Have you ever wanted to make your WordPress text stand out with your own choice of colors? Maybe to match your theme or highlight certain words? Well, today I'll show you exactly how to change font colors in your WordPress paragraphs, words, and headings. Step by step, super simple. Once you log into your WordPress dashboard, you'll see a bunch of options and controls. Look for the quick links section. It's a shortcut area that helps you access the most used features right away. From there, click on Edit Site. This will take you directly into the site editor, where all the design magic happens. Now, find the text block on your page that you want to edit. Click on it once, then use your mouse or touchpad to highlight the exact text, whether it's a single word, a sentence, or even a full heading. Highlighting is key, because this tells WordPress what part of your content you want to style. Next, take a look at the right side of the editor. That's where the settings panel lives. If you don't see it, click the little settings icon on the top right. In this panel, go to the block tab. This section controls how the entire text block looks and behaves. Scroll down until you find the color section. Here, you'll see options for background and text color. Click on text color and a color palette will pop up. Now, you can get creative. Choose a color that matches your site's vibe or gives your text that perfect contrast. As you select a shade, you'll notice the text color updates instantly in real time. That's your live preview. No guessing required. And that's it. You've just changed your font color in WordPress. It's quick, clean, and a great way to make your content more visually appealing and easier to read. Keep exploring these tools. A few small design tweaks like this can make your whole website look way more professional and engaging.